Ma'am? So you're getting them wrong because of positive and negative. Just to stop for a minute, a negative 7/8 times negative or positive will give you a positive answer. So K must be what kind of number? A negative times what will give you a positive? Ethan. So we already know K has to be a negative number. Once you've figured that out, you can ignore it from there, okay? You can move on. Like I did up here, I'm going to multiply by 8/7 because you cannot perform division with fractions. You must multiply by their reciprocal. And whatever I do on the left, I must also do on the right. To make it look clearer, put a 1 underneath here and look for opportunities to reduce. Can the 56 and the 7 reduce each other? They're both divisible by 7, so the 7 becomes a 1, the 56 becomes an 8. Negative 8/7 times negative 7/8 is 1K. That means K is whatever the product of these two numbers is over 1, which you don't necessarily have to write. So 8 times 8 is what? Yep, and you're right. It's a negative 64. Very good. Now they may add or subtract like the one Ben was doing a couple minutes ago to this. They might add a little bit of addition or subtraction, but it doesn't change what we have to do to that piece. And here's example 2 to illustrate that for you. The number 13/16 is equal to 3/8 multiplied by G plus 1/2. Instead of them being nice, pretty whole numbers, we're stuck with fractions. When there is an addition-subtraction component to be done, you do that first. That's this piece right here. So instead of adding, we have to subtract it, right? And to subtract this from 16ths, what should it be? Any ideas? We can change it real quick. 8/16. Let's just do that real quick. You guys know how to do that. 1/2 is equivalent to 8/16. Perform the subtraction. 13 minus 8. 5/16 is it? So 5/16 is equivalent to whatever 3/8 times G is. Now we're basically back at this spot from the above equation. Same kind of thing. We cannot divide by a fraction, but we can multiply by its what? Reciprocal. What's the reciprocal of 3/8, folks? 8/3. Now there's no positive negative business to worry about because everything in this was positive. The result of 3/8 times 8/3 is 1G. And it equals whatever the result of this is. Can we reduce anywhere? 8 and 16, both are divisible by 8, right? Looks like 5/6 is your answer. 5/6 should be your answer there. Okay? That is examples 1 and 2 in a nutshell. That is examples 1 and 2 in a nutshell. Okay? All right. I'm going to go ahead and stop right there. I want you guys to do